Hello, welcome to Comprehensible British English. Today I'm back in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to cook a full English breakfast. So, we're going to cook a full English breakfast today. Now, what do we need? What do we need for a full English breakfast? Well, we need sausages. We need bacon. We need eggs. We need baked beans. And we need hash browns. Now, some people put mushrooms in a full English breakfast, or as it can be called sometimes, a fry up. Some people put mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. Sometimes people put tomatoes in a full English breakfast or fry up. People put tomatoes. I don't mind tomatoes, but I'm not that bothered. People put fresh tomato, a half of a fresh tomato, and they grill it. They put it under the grill, or some people use tinned tomatoes from a tin. But today I'm not going to put mushrooms in because I don't like mushrooms, and I'm not worried about having tomatoes. Okay, so here on this old baking tray, we have 2 hash browns, and I'm going to put the hash browns in the oven. So here we have the grill pan for grilling things, and you can see here underneath I've put some tin foil, because the tin foil makes it easier to clean, because it catches any fat that comes from sausages or bacon. So I'm going to put the sausages in under the grill. I'm not going to do them in the oven. I'm going to put them under the grill, so the heat comes from the top, in a grill from the top, and I'm going to grill them, and because they take the longest, they take longer than the bacon, I'm going to grill them first and then put the bacon in afterward. Okay, so now I'm going to put the sausages under the grill to cook. Okay, so as you can see there, the sausages have started to go brown on one side, so I'm going to turn them over. Okay, so now I'm going to put the sausages back under the grill, and I'm going to get the other things, the eggs and the beans, the baked beans, ready. Okay, so I have here a small tin of baked beans. and I'm going to put them in this pan. So I'm going to, it's called a ring pull. I'm going to open the ring pull, and I'm going to tip the beans into the pan. Okay, so you can see the beans in the pan there. You can see the beans, and here I have a frying pan with some oil in it. So I'm going to turn on the hob. This here, it's called a hob. I'm going to turn on the ring. You can see this, it's a ring underneath the oil, and I want it on quite a high heat. It needs to be quite hot, but not too hot. And the beans will take less time to cook, but I'm going to put them on a low heat, so I don't, under that ring, on a low heat. Okay, so you can see now that the sausages are nearly ready. They're nearly ready. So I'm going to add some bacon to the grill pan. So here I have two slices of raw bacon. I'm just putting next to hello, you can see, hello. I'm putting next to the sausages. The bacon doesn't take very long to cook. So the frying pan, the oil in the frying pan has heated up. It's heated up. It's very, very hot. Not too hot, but very hot. So I'm going to break 2 eggs into the frying pan. Okay, so I've got my 2 eggs. Can't see me. The kitchen's not big enough to fill my head as well. Okay. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? So, as you can see, the eggs are frying in the frying pan. The eggs are frying, and if you can see here, I'm going to stir the beans. You can see steam rising from the beans, which means that they're probably nearly ready, and the eggs will take probably another 3 or 4 minutes. So the fat is spitting. So the eggs will be ready. The eggs will be ready very soon. So the sausages and the bacon are ready. They're cooked. The eggs are ready pretty much, and the beans are ready. And we cooked the hash browns in the oven earlier, and they are ready. Okay, so everything's ready. All I've got to do now, all I have to do is serve up, dish up, put everything on this plate. So I've got 2 sausages, 2 slices of bacon, 2 hash browns, 2 eggs, and last of all, baked beans. So this is the fry up, the full English breakfast. I think the eggs, I maybe have cooked them a bit too much, although they will still be runny. They'll still be runny. The egg, the yellow, the yolk in the middle, the yellow part, will still be runny. Not hard. It'll be runny, not hard. Well, thank you very much for watching the video today. I'm going to go and sit down and enjoy my full English breakfast, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.